Here's something you should think about before you quit LiveGood. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, LiveGood is still one of the most popular network marketing opportunities out there right now. Thousands of people are still joining LiveGood every single week, and there's no real signs of this slowing up. Now, all right, with that being said, there are still people that are quitting LiveGood. So recently somebody just joined my LiveGood team, right? So I'm excited, like, oh, that's cool, right? They see the vision, they get it. But at the same time, I seen two people on my LiveGood team quit. You know what I'm saying? They like, bye-bye, moving on, right? And I'm like, yo, people do what they want to do. But when I see people quit, and it's not just like people that quit my team, I'm talking about, you see people all over the place talk about, oh, my team, people quit, my team got smaller this month or whatever. And so when I see that, I be thinking to myself, damn, like I don't think they really got it. I don't think they really understood the potential that LiveGood still has. So one of the main reasons I tell people, hey, you shouldn't quit LiveGood so fast, is because as long as you pay your $9.95 a month, you are always in the position to make some money. All right, because look at it like this. If you're already in LiveGood, that means you already paid your one-time $40 affiliate fee. So now you're just paying your $9.95 a month membership cost. So even though you don't promote LiveGood, you don't order any of the products, you're still in a position to make money because you have the chance to get some spillover. Now I know a lot of people was like debatable, like, yo, spillover is trash. I didn't get no spillover and I was in it for like 3 months, or I got spillover and it was only like $10, blah, 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 right? But first of all, you need to really understand how spillover works, right? Spillover happens pretty much with the growth of the company. The more people that join the company, the quicker you will be able to get some spillover, right? So spillover is a real thing. But what a lot of people get confused on is the fact, like, how much they should be getting it, when they should be getting it, because you really don't know. But as long as you are a member of LiveGood, paying that, just call it $10 a month, you will always be in a position to make money. And here's an example. All right, look at it like this. You don't rock with LiveGood no more. You don't mess with it. You think it's whatever. But you keep paying that $10 a month coming out your account, right? Let's just say 2 years go by. You ain't even think about LiveGood no more, right? It's like whatever. And you just happen to check your account one day. You log into your LiveGood back office and you notice you're making an extra $300 in spillover from your matrix, right? Because you're like, damn, I didn't know the company was been growing like this. Holy shit, I got extra $300. But here's the thing, it's $300 monthly, right? Monthly, right, in spillover. And I want to say this, like, I'm just throwing numbers out, like $300, blah, blah, blah. Because a lot of people, they got hyped on this. They seen how you can earn over $2,000 from spillover when you join LiveGood. And to be honest with you, that is a possibility. It is real. It's just that would take you a long ass time to hit that number. And that does depend on the growth of LiveGood. But it is realistic that you can get $200, $300, $600 in spillover. You know what I'm saying? In a certain period. That's more realistic. So just imagine the feeling that you would have when you log into your account a year or two later and you see an extra $300 that's coming into your account, right? Like you'll be like, damn, I'm glad I stuck with it. Because remember, you're still only paying $10. So $10 coming out your account, $300 coming back every month. Now, like, think about that. So what I tell people is, look, if you don't rock with LiveGood, hey, you don't rock with LiveGood. You know what I'm saying? If you don't like the products, you don't gotta like the products. But if you're looking for potential to make some money, if you can afford to keep paying that $10 a month, right? Just if you can manage it, I would just do it. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said, you are constantly putting yourself in a position to make more money. So even if you're paying that and you don't rock with LiveGood, you should just kind of just from time to time, just check on the growth of the company, because the more and more people keep joining LiveGood, the better chances you're going to have of getting spillover, right? So, you know, definitely keep that in mind before you quit LiveGood. Now, what I mean by quitting LiveGood is actually going in to your account and shutting it down. Like saying that you don't want to pay the $10, because you can quit LiveGood. You can quit promoting LiveGood. You can quit talking about LiveGood. But like, I wouldn't like go in there and cancel my account. You know what I'm saying? Because once you do that, it's like you're really cutting off, you know, some earning potential. Right? You're definitely killing off any chances of making money once you go in there and cancel your account. So if you can afford the $10 a month, stick with it. Another reason you might not want to quit LiveGood is if you already start promoting it. You know what I'm saying? Because I know people, they put out like 5 LiveGood videos on YouTube, and they talked about it on Facebook Reels and TikTok, right? So they got their links and everything. Once you quit, right, LiveGood, you shut down your account, all your affiliate links are dead. So imagine this. Imagine somebody check out one of your YouTube videos a year from now, and they're like, oh, I never heard of LiveGood, or oh, I heard of LiveGood, like this is dope, like let me join. So they click on your link. Guess what? You ain't getting not a damn dollar if they join LiveGood after watching your video and clicking on your link. Because I don't even know, either A, your link might just go to the LiveGood corporate page, or, you know, it might just be a dead link. I don't know. I'm assuming that link would just go to like the LiveGood, you know what I'm saying, like the main business or whatever, right? But you're not going to get credit for that. Now, if you still were paying your, you know, $10 a month, even without you even thinking about it, you got some content online or whatever, and somebody clicks on your link a year from now and decide to become an affiliate and decide to go crazy with the opportunity and make money, you could be making money out the blue just by somebody looking at something that you did a year ago promoting this opportunity. But once again, if you quit and you cancel your account, you're killing your chances of making any money. And one other reason you might not want to quit LiveGood so fast is because the company is just getting started. All right. Yes, there's some people that's like, oh, LiveGood's too saturated, or oh, who cares about health and wealth products, and oh, blah, 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 blah. But the truth is, LiveGood has only been around like 14 months as of recording this video. You know what I'm saying? Which is like, people don't understand like how new that really is. Like, there's companies out there who've been around 5 years and they're still considered new. You know what I'm saying? There's companies out there that's been out there 20 years that people are still joining today, right? So when you think about LiveGood and the potential that it has, the growth potential, come on, like, especially when, you know, they're planning on coming out with more and more products. So imagine you quit, you shut down your account, and one of the reasons why you quit LiveGood because you just wasn't rocking with the products. What happens when they come out with something that you're like, oh shit, that's dope? Like, oh man, I would like to promote that, right? Now, of course, you could just sign up again, right? But you got to pay your affiliate fee, get started now. Now your chances of getting spillover, you got to start all over again. You know what I'm saying? So think about that. But once again, if you have your account active, right, and they do come out with a product or service that you rock with, you could just plug back in, just log back in, get your link, and start promoting it again, right? So, like I said, if you are a member of LiveGood and you're like, yo, man, I ain't making no money, this shit ain't what I thought it was, I'm gonna cancel my account. I don't know. I wouldn't. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't do it. I'm definitely planning on sticking with LiveGood as long as LiveGood is around. But if I wasn't into health and wellness and all that, I still would keep my membership. Now, if you are somebody who hasn't joined LiveGood and now maybe you feel motivated to get started with LiveGood, you can jump on your boy's team right now. All you need to do is click that first link in the description, and I will see you on the team.